Alright, y'all, so today we're going to be making some bagels. And right now, we're just going to make some plain Jane bagels, you know. For this, we got sugar, flour, yeast, honey, salt, an egg, and milk. And I do have some everything bagel seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and top our bagels with that. But you can use whatever you would like for a topping. It doesn't matter. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright, y'all. So we have 2.5 cups of milk. We have gone ahead, thrown that in a microwave for about a minute just to warm it up. We're going to take a tablespoon of our sugar, take a tablespoon and a half of our yeast, and we're going to take a tablespoon of our honey. We're going to go ahead and get this a really good mixing. Now we're going to set this to the side to bloom for 10 minutes. Alright, y'all. So while our yeast is blooming, we're going to start with 5 cups of flour. Then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of salt. Go ahead and give that a quick mix. Now, 10 minutes later, we got our yeast. Now we're just going to go ahead and bring this together. Once we got it together, we're going to go ahead and knead this for about 10 minutes. Alright, y'all, so after about 10 minutes worth of kneading, we've gone ahead and dumped our dough on a floured surface. And we're going to cut this into about 12 equal pieces. But as long as you keep them equal, it really doesn't matter. So anywhere from 8 to 12 pieces, equal size. Now we're going to roll these into balls. And once we have our balls shaped, we're going to let these rise for 15 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so after 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead. We got to shape them now. Just very carefully. We're going to open up a hole. Try to make this even in the shape that you want. Remember to make the hole bigger because these will rise. Alright, so now we're going to let these rise for 30 minutes. While these rise, it's a good time to start preheating our oven to 350 degrees. So let's get these rising, get our oven heated, and I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so after 30 minutes, we're now going to go over to the stove where I've already prepped the next part. Let me tell you what I did. Alright, so we brought about 8 cups of water and 1/4 cup of baking soda to a boil. And now we're going to drop in our bagels. And we're going to cook them for about 1 minute to 2 on each side. After a couple minutes, go ahead, flip them. And then we're going to do a couple more minutes. Then we're going to go ahead pull them off, put them on a cooling rack to dry. And then rinse and repeat. Alright, so here they are. I put some wax paper down on the counter just so it's easier to clean up. We're going to go ahead and move them to our cookie sheet. Hit them with an egg wash. This is where we hit our toppings. Or you can do a plain bagel. It's up to you. Maybe some cheddar cheese, some jalapeno would be really good. Maybe do some sea salt. Like I said, I have everything bagel seasoning. We're going to pop these in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they're done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. And there we have it. We got bagels. Now we have 9 everything bagels. We got 3 plain. We also have another 3 plain in the oven. Like I said, you can do whatever toppings you want to do. You know, put whatever spread you want on these, you know? But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.